Okay, note to self. All you other channels have told me anything to do with a boat or a yacht takes twice as long as you thought it would. And splashing Epiphany is going to take twice as long as we thought it would. The new owner is gracious enough to spend a day with us today, pretty much the whole day, starting the engine, flushing all the winterizing agent out of it. Tomorrow, he showed us how to flush out the water tanks and get all the winterizing agent out of them. We'll do that, but it's all going to be done on the hard. He's still sailing with his buddies. You know, his boat partner moved to Florida, has some health issues, and that's why he chose to sell his boat. But he's still chartering with his buddies, and a couple short notice charters come up, so he's tied up for the weekend tomorrow. And so working with the yacht basin owner, the boatyard, and the owner's known the previous boat owner for 22 years. That's where he's always kept his boat. We're going to splash the boat on Tuesday. So that'll give us basically a week to do the installation of the new electronics and organize the interior and clean it up and polish it and do some upgrades that we want to do without destroying the historical integrity of the boat. It's 48 years old. But we'll get that done. And me and the boatyard owner and his crew will splash it. We got to relax the backstay and take it down and use the halyard to stabilize the mast. And a couple little tricks that the owner shared with us that makes it easy, so the cradle crane doesn't get into your rigging or anything like that. And he'll come out Wednesday morning and we'll rig the sails and go day sailing. And then he'll show us all the tricks that the yacht taught him and all the tricks he learned that he can teach us about the yacht he's had for 22 years. Loved and treated like a daughter or a wife. And we are blessed. We truly are blessed to have purchased this boat from such a gracious, loving, honest owner. We got the survey results back that I had to get to certify my insurance and carry it on for the marine insurance, and there was not a single thing on the survey that the owner had not pointed out to me. All the way down to, there's touch-ups on the fiberglass here, and the fairing looks unprofessional, and I know that. It's a CNC smile, but that's all stuff we plan to take care of on the hard. Somewhere where it's a little more affordable to work on boats and where it's a lot warmer. Although it's very nice here in Chicago, if we hang around till the St. Lawrence Seaway ices up, we're not getting out to the Atlantic and down to Florida this year. So we're not pressed for time right now, but we're on a schedule. And tomorrow we'll give you a look at the mess we made inside the boat, because we unloaded every cubbyhole and compartment, and he's been stashing stuff, extra parts, tools, you name it, for 22 years on this boat, and he's leaving it all behind for us. And the only way we're ever going to make sense out of it is drag it all out in the main galleyway and sort through it, inventory it, put it on a spreadsheet, buy plastic containers, sort it by genre, electrical, hardware, plumbing, etc., and stash it. Our plan is out of the living quarter galloway cubby holes, probably back in the rear steerage, because we're a rear cockpit boat, and there's a lot of room in the rear steerage that properly strapped off containers won't interfere with our steerage, but there's a lot of cubic feet of storage space back there. Difficult to get to, but repair items, they don't need to be accessible day to day. And we'll have a spreadsheet that tells us where they're at. So progress is well. We're high-spirited. We're excited to be here. The Windy City of Chicago, getting our dream ready to splash and share every moment with you. See you in the morning.